रहना चाहिए कहाँ है.
That's fair.
That's fair.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then the child comes home and you take away the phone.
So that's what I'm saying. If you can't control the exposure to social media, don't allow it. Okay, simply. अगर बच्चे को 12 साल का है, बच्चे को गाड़ी चलानी नहीं आती, आप दे दोगे क्या गाड़ी?
नहीं ना.
तो अगर बच्चा खुद से कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता है बिहेवियर, तो आप वो चीज़ नहीं दोगे.
Very true.
या आप अगर कंट्रोल नहीं रख सकते हो तो प्लीज़ वो चीज़ मत दो. हैव स्ट्रिक्ट पेरेंटल कंट्रोल्स ऑन द यूजेज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया.
Same thing is happening with screen time.
Same thing is happening with screen time. Look, as children, even we've seen TV.
Yeah.
We've seen a TV. We haven't seen a phone. So when you're looking at a small screen that is this far from your eyes, the entire concentration is in the small screen. फिर आप बेल बजी है, आवाज़ दे रहे हो, कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं देता.
And what a lot of children and parents don't know is screen time जब आप इतना देखते हो, nowadays even children, even adults are doing, they're just swiping through reels, है ना, this scrolling वाला feature. This actually reduces the attention span of adults as well as children. Now, I have explained this to few kids who come to my OPD कि बेटा यार तू दिन भर ऐसा करेगा तो your attention span is decreasing. There is a reason school periods are 30-40 minutes क्योंकि 20 minutes का teaching is max, 20-25 then there's a revision and बीच में there's some creativity happening. There's a reason they were designed this way. If you can't hold your attention for that long, तो पढ़ाई it's impossible for you to study and grasp what you're
concentrate.
doing. So that is one thing that I know from screen, in terms of screen, that's happening.
Yeah, so the easy availability and it's become so easy to satisfy your id. I mean, it's become so easy to satisfy your intent of changing things.
Yeah.
There is no boredom, which is dangerous.
Yeah, when
You
your
have to
dopamine
get
is hitting
bored.
bar, yeah.
You have to get bored to realize, to experiment, to know, oh, I'm getting bored, maybe I can play with this toy.
Creativity comes from boredom only. Actually.
Yes, creativity will come from boredom.
Right.
The reel का जो scroll हो रहा है, 3-year-old kids know how to reach YouTube and see reels, which is so unnecessary. Why do they need to know that? And then the attention span is just, it's so less. Because they know, जहाँ बोर हुआ change किया,
Yeah.
जहाँ बोर हुआ change किया.
They're giving us a dopamine hit.
Yes, these are major dopamine
Yeah.
hits. And I'd say if, okay, sometimes we have serious work on the phone. And we as parents also are doing our work on the phone. And the child comes up, Mama, you know what happened today? Please put your phone down and make an eye contact and listen, no matter how important your work is. Or if it's really, really important, communicate. Ki beta, 2 minutes, Mama is doing. Let her or him see the work that you're doing. Mama is doing this work. Can you please sit down? I'm interested in talking to you. ये 2 minute में कर लेती हूँ. Okay? And we'll do it. Put the phone down. Let them see what you're doing. Do the work. Finish it. Upside down करके रखो और बात कर लो. Because